What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2027 Genesis G80 2.5T Sport Prestige. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder with 300 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So 300 horsepower is pretty impressive for a 4-cylinder engine. And 311 pound-feet of torque. I made a video on the 3.5T Prestige Black the other day, the 2027 G80, so I'm interested to see how this compares to that in terms of driving experience and everything. The interior is gorgeous in this car. The steering wheel is a little bit different than the 3.5. I actually really like the steering wheel. I like all Genesis steering wheels, they all look really good. This steering wheel actually looks sportier, funny enough. Has a flat bottom, very thick bolstering on the steering wheel, nice shift paddles, and nice white with gray two-tone. But on this interior like this, you have to be careful not to stain the seats and have drinks in here because you can get stained very easily. I really like the door panels. You have a Bang & Olufsen sound system, pretty standard Genesis screen in here. What I like in these Genesis cars is, like, even though the screen is like a big tablet kind of thing, it doesn't like protrude way out of the dash. It's kind of integrated into the dash well and doesn't look like it's sticking out far out of the dash. So it's like well integrated despite being like a big just rectangle. Not many brands do a great job of integrating their screens into the dash like that. You have ventilated seats and heated seats in this vehicle, and heated steering wheel. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, maps, all that good stuff. You can either use that as a touchscreen or use this. I would rather use this because the screen's kind of far. You'd have to like lean over every time if you want to touch it. You have a panoramic sunroof. You also have a 360 view camera with the 3D view of the vehicle. That's cool as well. We're going to be driving in sport mode, so I'm going to put it in sport mode. And let's walk around the car, and we'll take it out the road. You have a wireless charging tray right there. I really like that wireless charging tray placement. So, 2027 G80 2.5T Sport Prestige all-wheel drive. It's a 27-inch OLED instrument cluster. Total price is $72,660. 5 years, 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty. 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very impressive. The exterior is Ceres blue. Interior is vanilla beige. It's got some beautiful wheels. I really like these wheels. It's wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires. You have Genesis brake calipers. Really nice front end on this vehicle. Big grille. Nice Genesis badge. I really like the way the Genesis badge looks, very classy. But yeah, the G80 is a really handsome sedan. And here are the rear seats. A lot of legroom back here. You also have sunshades. You also have dual outlet exhaust. Looks pretty sporty. And really good trunk space in this Genesis as well. But anyways, let's take it out on the road and see how it drives. I've been very impressed with these Genesis interiors. As you guys know, I've been making a lot of Genesis videos in the last week, and I'm going to keep making them. I'm going to try to get videos on every trim level of every model. One thing I do notice about this is like the seat doesn't go, like, this is the farthest it'll go. I would prefer to have a little bit more room because I have really long legs and I'm unable to recline this, like move the seat farther than it is right now, which is a little strange to me. But either way, it's still a decently comfortable driving position. Yeah, this interior is very quiet, very smooth. And I really love those turn signal cameras. decent acceleration. It's pretty smooth, and again, very, very quiet in here. Like, it's very clear that these every Genesis vehicle, other than honestly the G70, which is definitely on the sportier side, every other Genesis vehicle really feels like it was aimed for just pure luxury in terms of everything, in the way it looks, the interior, and the way the ride is. Like, some of these sport models are fast or quicker than a regular Genesis for sure, but it's pretty clear that it was meant to be intended for just very smooth driving, but has a little bit of extra acceleration to help you out and give you a little bit of a spirited driving experience. But I'm so impressed at how smooth this and quiet this thing is. It feels so luxurious. The noise insulation in the interior is fantastic. It gives you a feeling of peace when you drive this car. I don't really see too many Genesis G80s out on the road either, you know, it's not that common of a vehicle. So it definitely stands out a little bit. The ride feels very similar to the 3.5T, other than the fact that the 3.5T has like 70 more horsepower and it feels quicker. But other than that, it's very similar. Like, it's pretty much the same in terms of driving experience, other than the extra acceleration you get in the 3.5. Also, the engine obviously sounds better in the 3.5, considering it's a V6 and not a 4-cylinder. But I'm impressed that Genesis again is getting 300 horsepower out of a 4-cylinder. Steering has a really nice weight to it. It feels heavy and just really nice gripping the steering wheel. Yeah, you see, like, one thing I noticed about the Genesis cars, it takes a while for it to like pick up speed. It's not like instantaneous, and that's where I go back to talking about how it's clearly meant to be more luxurious and not to be like super responsive and give you crazy sporty driving dynamics, because it is definitely not that. And I really like these shifters, they look really cool. Let's test out that backup camera. See how it does. Yep, pretty good. Tight parking spot. Helped me navigate through that pretty easily. But anyways, we have now returned to Grubb's Genesis a Grapevine. So we're about to conclude today's video on this 2027 Genesis G80 2.5T Sport Prestige. Thank you as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Genesis Grapevine in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new 2027 Genesis.